ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ki pulit jong sarkar jela wat la ki ale kat bala ban kem ye ki Nongkhaï Dewïong be ain nrei ga jingduna ki brio ha ka ne katanat ha ki kerdan ba pher ka pentlot bore ki ya ka ne la ong do menteri katanat kampo ye ng sarkar jela uma lakmen rumbui ha ka jing ekran bat ki nong pathai kubor ha ka sing ba ar jong tayo ka shitari kulber arajar arpuar nalor ba ka exam na ka benta ka kampulit ka dangya shakaman bat ba ondang penrung kam shu sa shispa saupu prangut shen katanat pulit kadang la ban perungkam sakumba syiajar praspa ateli ki pos ki badang lain kata haki kerdan SI bat syapo laong menteri lakmen rumbui da ka bau la beteng ba wadah pedeng ka jing bom labor nrei katanat pulit ka yele kat bala ban tem ya ki kambe ai ha ka bai dei pat bat ka Jingïadei ka bajan ha pedeng ki Nongkhaï bat ki Lehnoh uma lakmen rumbui shim lakan tai namar uang baki kam sniu ki don hi hangno ru nrei laong ba shim don ya ka Kaiphod ka ba pentikna ya kata.
Every now and then the people they are talk about this thing, that thing. So having said that, the government is trying to do its best to stop all the illegalities with the thing. But having said that, there is also a constraint. The constraint, as you know, I will tell you from the point of policing. Now we have already advertised about 900 odd posts, which the exam is going on right now. And we will advertising 848 posts shortly. So we from the police department, there is a shortage about 1,800 posts, which is lying vacant in the state. I'm talking about only about those posts of SI and below. So, and as you know also, the MPSC is in the process of recruitment of the officers. So with this shortage, it is not possible for the police to do everything. But I appreciate they have tried their best and will try to do our best to see that this thing is stopped. And moreover, wherever they get information, the police are trying to rush and stop the thing at one hand. See, policing, we know where we do, as I said before, that we are trying to do, and we are trying to do maximum possible. So we are doing it and we will do it.